Hello, everybody. Today, I want to touch upon something which is very important for our own growth and survival, and that's reading. Yes, reading, as we all know, is a very important and vital element for our own growth and sustenance. By reading, we get that knowledge, we get that information, or we get to know many things that we don't know actually in this world. So, reading is often said to be a very important, like I said, a vital thing for our growth. But often these days we get to see that people forget or people are leaving that habit. People get to spend most of the time in social network or on binge watching movies. And here, by reading, I particularly mean the reading of books. It's often said that lifelong learning and curiosity are a big qualities that we see in successful people, and they take time and devote time particularly for reading. I don't know how many of you are aware that yearly or once in a year, the richest man in the world, Bill Gates himself, gets into a room locked and shut down from all the distractions. He just has a cook who prepares the food for him, and he engages and indulges completely into reading. He spends so much of time. So, if the wealthiest man in the world or the richest person in the world can spend so much of time in reading and gaining knowledge, why not each one of us? So, reading is a very profound and a great habit which you can see in successful people. In addition, along with reading, writing also is a very good tool because it inculcates or it imbibes that knowledge of what we have gained through reading. It is often said that when you read a classic, it's not just one time. You read a book once and then you reread it again. And when you reread, if you find some new discoveries or new things which you failed to notice during the first time, it is then definitely said that you are not re-looking at the book or you're not rereading something from the book, but you are rereading your own self. You are discovering things by your own means, which means by reading once is not sufficient. Like if you are totally not grasp the book, it is always and recommended that you can even go for again. You can reread the same book because reading multiple times doesn't mean any wrong, and reading definitely is going to give you more knowledge and more wisdom. That is what the author wants to convey in the book. Yeah. So it is one of the very great habits which is imbibed by very successful people, and I would wish that everybody gets to that habit. And as we end, I just want to give a small quote which a famous person Christopher has said. He said, "When an author sells a book to you, he does he doesn't just sell you 12-inch papers with ink and glue. What he sells is a life." It's a very profound thought, and I just impressed by it. Thank you for watching, and see you again.